Morning Beauty Routine. 1. Wake up and hydrate, 5 minutes. Drink a glass of water. Hydration kickstarts your metabolism and helps your skin look fresh. Splash face with cool water. It helps wake you up and tighten your skin. 2. Cleanse, 2 minutes. Use a gentle cleanser suitable for your skin type, gel for oily, cream for dry, etc. Massage into your skin in circular motions and rinse with lukewarm water. 3. Tone, 1 minute. Apply a toner to balance your skin's pH and remove any residual cleanser. Use a cotton pad or your hands to pat it into your skin. 4. Treat, 3 minutes. Serum, choose one that targets your specific skin concerns, e.g., vitamin C for brightening, hyaluronic acid for hydration. Eye cream, apply gently around the eyes to reduce puffiness and dark circles. 5. Moisturize, 2 minutes. Use a moisturizer suited to your skin type. Don't forget to apply to your neck as well. 6. Sun protection, 2 minutes. Sunscreen, essential to protect against UV damage. Use SPF 30 or higher. 7. Makeup, 10 to 15 minutes. Primer, apply to create a smooth base. Foundation/BB cream, even out your skin tone. Concealer, use under eyes and on any blemishes. Powder, set your makeup if needed. Blush/bronzer, add a healthy glow. Eyeshadow, neutral tones for a day look. Eyeliner, define your eyes subtly. Mascara, open up your eyes. Brows, fill in and shape. Lipstick/balm, choose a natural or bold shade depending on your mood. Fashion routine. 1. Check the weather and plan outfit, 5 minutes. Consider the day's weather and any special plans. Opt for comfortable yet stylish pieces. 2. Choose the base outfit, 5 to 10 minutes. Tops, blouse, shirt, or tee based on occasion. Bottoms, skirt, trousers, jeans, or shorts. 3. Add layers and accessories, 5 minutes. Layer, blazer, cardigan, or jacket if needed. Accessories, jewelry, watch, belt, and bag to complement the outfit. 4. Shoes, 2 minutes. Choose comfortable shoes that match your outfit, heels, flats, sneakers. 5. Final touches, 3 minutes. Perfume, apply a light fragrance. Check, look in the mirror and make any necessary adjustments. Bonus tips. Night prep, lay out your outfit and essentials the night before to save time. Hydration, keep a water bottle handy to stay hydrated. Healthy snack, grab a quick, healthy breakfast or snack to fuel your day. This routine can be adapted based on your preferences and the time you have in the morning. The goal is to feel confident and prepared for whatever your day brings. Feel free to customize this routine to better fit your needs or ask for more details on any step.